Okay, we've got a tricky GCSE problem here in that it's asking you to look at lots of different options. The first thing we're going to look at is the fact that we've got 3 black beads, 5 red beads and 2 green beads, and that is the key information from the question. She takes a bead at random from the bag and records its colour and replaces it. Notice the replacing, so therefore the probability won't change each time because it goes back in the bag, and she does this 2 more times. She's going to draw them out 3 times, and it's quite important to realise that she's drawing out 3 times. Work out the probability that of the 3 beads, exactly 2 are the same colour. So we're going to look at that, and we're going to try and write out all the different options that allow us to do. So first of all, we're going to look at the 2 being the same colour being black beads. So we can have black and black, and then we can have any other colour. Or we could have black, any black, or we can have any black, black. And let's just look at the probability of getting black, black and any. So there's 3 tenths times by 7 tenths, because there's 7 other colours. And we can see black, any black, will also give us 3 tenths times 7 tenths times 3 tenths. And what we notice is the probabilities do not change. So you've got 3 times 3 is 9, 7 times 9 is 63 over 1,000. This will be 63 over 1,000. And if we were to work out that would give us exactly the same, also give us 63 over 1,000. So we've effectively got 3 times 63 over 1,000, which gives us a total of 189 out of 1,000. So that's just the black, black, any. So let's look at the red, red, any. So we've got up here, red, red, any. So there's going to be 3 ways of doing it. So I'm just going to times it by 3. I'm not going to write out all the 3 ways. And there are 5 red beads. So it's 5 times 5 tenths and 5 tenths for the next red. And then any was 5. There's 2 green beads and 3 black beads. We don't care which of those we get for the third bead. So that's also 5 tenths. So that gives us 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. 3 times 125 is 375 over 1,000. And then we're going to look at the green beads. So we've got 2 green, green and any other colour. Remember, we're going to look at it. There's going to be 3 ways of doing that, because you can go green, or any green, green. But we're not going to write them all out like we did here, because we realised that we can just times, the property doesn't change because the colour is replaced each time. And green is going to be 2 tenths times 2 tenths times by 8 tenths, because any other is 5 red and 3 black. So that gives us 2 tenths times 2 tenths, 4 times 8 is 32, times 3 is 96 over 1,000. So let's take those 3 results. So the probability will equal 189 over 1,000 plus 96 over 1,000. Note, I haven't cancelled down because it makes it easier to add these up. 375 over 1,000. Let's work out what those equal. And we get 660 over 1,000. So we can cancel that down to get 66 over 100, or we just get 0.66. And I suppose we could cancel this down as a fraction, 33 over 50. So either of these 2 answers will be fine. Cancel that down. So let's just recap what we did. We did all the 3 ways to realise, get a pattern for what the problem was about. We realised black, black, any, black, any, black, and any, black, black all gave the same probability. So I then used that to repeat with red and any. I didn't bother writing them all out. I just times by 3 because all the probabilities are the same. And the reason the probabilities are all the same is because they replaced it each time.